Are you looking for the most fun condo in Mission Valley? You got to check this one out. Let's go take a look. Welcome to Unit 1106 here at the Lido. This fun, amazing unit has been fully renovated with all new flooring, kitchens, bathrooms, and so much more. This fully remodeled kitchen includes quartz countertops, beautiful subway tile, and newer appliances. Beautifully remodeled bathrooms with mosaic tile, frameless glass, and amazing countertops. The most fun feature of this unit, and my favorite, is this custom bar here to entertain and enjoy with friends. Cheers. If you're looking for the perfect place to level up your fun, Unit 1106 at the Lido is here for you.